Bungro. Oi, aste. Yeah, eklara halka. Moi thakaw mun nai. What a rot. We're on the way to Bungro. Oi, to aram se. Oi, jilo. Driver export as the chu. Oi, shit. This is the road between Gifri and Bungro. Aro idura bias na. Idura bias. Hello everyone, this is your man Yam Chong Chang. Today I'm at idu ki bosti ko she? Mongtsuwong village. It's under Gifri district and these are my friends, here are my staffs. So we're here on a tour to Gifri village, but we have stopped in this Mongtsuwong village to have our lunch. And today I'm looking good. Yeah. This is Tara Damagam and Ajiba. Itu posti manu edila posti owner hanase. So tai posti the guys among. As you can see, the place it's awesome. The mountains and itu pani to ki nichiri lobo ko pam gura do. Edira lobo ko jina pani do. To motor right pam gura. Shit. So this is the village area and it's so beautiful. It's at the mountain top and then again there's another tall mountain here. It's not that steep and it's so beautiful. This is Majang, we call it Majang. And you know the most interesting part is that the stairs is made of one single tree trunk. So this is the view from here, which is really awesome. So this village comes under Gifri district before reaching Bungro town. We're headed there, but like I said, we're gonna have lunch now. As you can see, the valleys and the mountains, it's awesome. The place is so awesome in real life. Much grow there. Itu mucha banaijo, pal banaijo today. Oi, na khata olap tang gula or bishi balo. Itu se. Itu say this by election. Nai, itu ki GI sheet koi ajaba. GI sheet. Galvanized iron sheet. So this is the place we're staying at right now. Lunch has been prepared, and that is the church, the red roof. So it's a small village. Hey, this posti to kita recognize it? Oh, Mongtsuwong village. Okay, I'll show you the tombstone. Ki koi? Memorial stone. Okay, this is a memorial stone. Mongtsuwong village inaugurated by Srimati S. Tainyu ATC Bungro headquarters on 21st March 2014. It's a new village. Actually posted there. Recognized 2014. Okay, so 2014. Yeah. 2014 recognized wala te thali wanna. So that's it, the history about this village in brief. I'll show you more. I'm gonna have lunch in a while, so posti laga pansa dikhai dibo kina mitta thai I chalo nami wo ida khor bana gina se na apni bra gila khor ase bolo bala rakha do hoi itu bra phale do ekta khel tare phale do ekta khel acha you know the mud, it's all red here and it's wet, so it's very slippery and my shoes are all dirty. Oh my, this is my shoe. So the sole, it's all under mud now. It's all under mud, so it's very slippery here. It's so peaceful out here, like the wind is so calm and the weather is good. first the ground is wet, so it's slippery, but the weather and the wind, the sun, everything, and the place is awesome. What's that? What kind of boat? What's no one, eh? Oh, when are you here? Did you book with no one? He met his parents, so he's not hungry anymore. This guy.
I'm not the hungry.
Take it. So this is the food we're gonna have: local chicken, local chutney, some pickle, papaya boil, and some local rice. Yeah, it's so no. So that's what I'm gonna enjoy right now. So bye. Kaje, video will lo. Kiri buka to khana le paro le do. So ite to ajbala kaure khode aina ase tai kaure palina ase naam to taila hoile taila power bai sob sai. So idu Christmas karne aro idu to bacha bikawala karne. Oi kaure bacha kyon bhaina ase koi 1 2 3 4 5 6 choida ase naki idu paisa karne aro idu to new year karne na idu bi bacha bhaina ase to चलो खिलाबी ओए खेती नगरे ना इना बागान इमान डाঙर আছে खेती কৰা নিচিনাই আছে আৰু ইদি ভাল তো কিমান মান হৈছে কিমান তেজ হৈছে কাউৰী বাজাৰো সো ইদি একটা আইডিয়া ভাল আছে কাউৰী বালাটো বাজাৰো বিকাইলে এই বাজাৰো কিমান বার বিকাই বস্তি দে ठीक है अब मलाई फोन आएछ रुकी दे हेलो आओ आया हे लिट न बाहे अपला ओ त मैले कन त पुङरो के सोजु बने बोले छ fresh मोहतरम स्पेलिंग जानी लो लगा माँ आती तरफ मोहतरम दो खाई लो हाय couldn't like put that in it, but he's so happy to see me. Okay, I'll have this fruit. Okay, I enjoyed my lunch. It was very good. As you have seen, local chicken. It was local chicken with beans, with some ginger and some local spice. And I didn't eat the silkworm. I'm scared, so.
If I my beans, but I have a do. Pull a haja with you, go to the chakra like it.
Mitaz though. Mitaz. This is very sweet. अपने इनकी क्या मोहतरम गाई दो है पुकुर जुंगा था करो कभी ये तो भी मिटा से
मुझे तो ये बना वो कोई ना ठीक मुझे था का तो चेयर ग्रुपले फाउंडेशन पूरी का लाश है मुझे मुझे पंप लोग ये ना फाक बना बोले था मुझे तो बड़ा फुल बोर्ड पे चिवले बताई थी
तो बाले तो फुल ना केवल दो जगह अरे पहले बाले है
मुझे तो नहीं दिया जो चाहिए तो क्या बात है बेंगलोर
की करे थे
होटल दे
এটা তো মানুহ নাই বলো এতে এটা তো কোন আইও মন যাও এটা তো বস তাতে কামাই থাকিল তো
দিদি দো পুনি দো
মই তো আছো মতরন তো
তাতে কি দিয়া বড় জানা আছে গলি
এটা কথা তো মই কিটা জানা জানি হইছে না জানে তাই মই লই পইব গা